Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the port. Look for the lightning bolt symbol and verify Mac OS is current so drivers and firmware support Thunderbolt 2. Once done, choose the correct cable or adapter. Thunderbolt 2 uses the mini DisplayPort connector, and adapters differ for HDMI, DisplayPort, or Gigabit Ethernet. Make sure external devices are powered. Some displays require their own power. This step prevents common connectivity failures and ensures the Mac negotiates full bandwidth as soon as you connect. You now connect the chosen device. For displays, attach the Thunderbolt 2 cable, then open System Preferences and set Mirror or Extend. Adjust resolution and refresh rate to match the monitor. Thunderbolt 2 supports high resolutions but needs correct settings. For storage, restart your Mac and hold T to enter target disk mode so another Mac reads it as an external drive. Alternatively, mount USB or Thunderbolt storage in Finder. Make sure adapters are active, since passive adapters may not provide video conversion. To finish, verify the device functions. Eject drives before unplugging and confirm display settings persist. If you see no signal, power cycle the Mac and peripheral, then reconnect. This often restores negotiation. If problems continue, reset the SMC and PRAM, then check system information under Thunderbolt to see link status and device identifiers. Make sure you use Apple-certified or high-quality adapters and cables. Faulty cables are the most common cause. Test with a known good peripheral to.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.